Hi Felters and welcome to Vlogmas day 3, which is Tuesday. Good morning, Gracie. So I finished my mushroom from the felt box and I'm just sewing a little bit of gold thread that I had so I can put it on my tree. I'm going to put some of these things on my tree downstairs. So I just sewed it through and cut it off, and there's the tree from the Crafty Kit Company. I'm trying to do the 3 peas in a pod. This was carrot cake, today's candle. Yesterday was buttery croissant, and oh my goodness, they smell so like what they're meant to be. Now, this was yesterday's Toft, and I made a mistake by closing the stitch up, so I just opened it up. I realised by now actually watching the videos on Instagram a couple of things. So that's day 1 and day 2. That's my little stitch marker I bought at, I can't remember where it was. But yeah, I'm using that little stitch marker. It's really great. So I worked on the peas in a pod during the day, and then I sat down and opened up all of day 3. So this is the felt box. So it's just wool. I don't think I need to do anything with it yet. This is barn to yarn, and these are beautiful. Did it say Wensleydale locks? Look at the colours. I could definitely use them. So that's a really nice handful of locks from barn to yarn. Very pleased with them. That's a perfect colour for me. Then we've got Cindy Lou for day 3, World of Wool. And it comes across quite red, but I would say it's a little bit more peachy pink, because sometimes the colouring is different. It's got 4 types of wools in it. Go and watch Lara's video if you want to know a little bit more about the World of Wool. Merino, Angora, nylon and Tussar silk in it. And then we went on to Toft. That door's important, I've now learnt as well. And one of my subscribers made a comment too, which has helped me. So this is another wool for day 3. And it's cocoa. So it's a really deep chocolatey colour. And we make that up in a bit. And you also got this little sort of gold, I'm thinking bookmark. People can help me out here if they know what it is. It's really sweet. So yeah, that door, I've got to keep the boxes because they will make up a sort of a picture. I didn't realise to keep the boxes, so I got box 1 out. I'd put it in the bin. So this is Creative Anarchy, and this is day 3 of their beautiful 20 grams of wool. And this is what I would expect for forest colours. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to cake some of these up. So here's the first 3 all together. And it's called Mornings in the Stream. Which again, wouldn't that be more blue? I must check I've got this all right. And then this was the card I didn't show you yesterday. This is day 3. It's a little cat. So Molly Lemon does these prints separately, I think, on her website. So that was the sheep, and then that was yesterday's. But I just really like her art prints. I think they're really beautiful. So the Toft boxes I have to keep, I've now learnt. And I'm going to put the wools into this little bag that I've got and hang them up there, so put them all together. So the Toft keyring, I also learnt that the key part is actually a ruler measurement to help you measure your tension, check it's all correct. So it's not just pretty, it's also very, very useful. And then I've laid everything out, all ready for day 4, so it's all done in the morning for me.
Drive alone in December rain. They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may stop a light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the sleigh blows cold, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you're so far yet close? I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for 2. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, like when we were small. Someone's been here and there. The spark is for all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but together.
Good morning, Felters. This is the third time I've tried to record this. It's 11:30, the worst time because the doorbell keeps going 3 times. 3 times I've had to stop. So, how are you all? It's day 4 of Vlogmas. I've got it written in front of me, so I can't forget what day it is. It's Wednesday. I hope you're all okay. I'm just going to carry on, and if the dogs bark, we'll just do a quick pause. You don't mind. I'm really enjoying doing the Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I hope that's all right for you guys. It just gives me a little bit of time to get things done in between. So first off, just going to show you. Oh, no, first off, right. I've got my new glasses on. I am so pleased with them. Finally, there was a long story with them. I'm not going to bore you with it. I went to a small local opticians. Normally I go to Vision Express, and I thought I'll support local. Got charged double the price, and they sold me a pair of frames that in the end, I had to go back to Vision Express, and they worked it out. They were too curved and they were making me cross-eyed, and I'd been back to the shop twice, blah, blah, blah. So I just wanted to let you know though, because I felt like there was something wrong with my eyes, the way they were telling me, oh, there's nothing else they can do. And I was like, but I feel cross-eyed, and I wasn't getting used to the glasses. I've had varifocals for years. So my frame was really curved around my face. Went to Vision Express, and they noticed and they straightened it, and it was instantly so much better. I then had to get a new pair of frames anyway, because once you straighten it, they were sticking out. So I am going to write a letter of an email of complaint but disappointment to the shop that sold me those frames, because I never would have been able to wear them. This has been months, and I felt really bad, and I didn't want to go back to the shop again and again, because they kept saying there's nothing else they can do, and it's like my problem, my fault, my eyes, but it wasn't, and I knew it wasn't. So anyway, just to let you know, if you're having trouble with your glasses, feeling cross-eyed, just have a look at that side of things as well, because these ones are a lot straighter. The other ones that the small shop sold me had a really sort of quite strong curve to them, and that was the issue. So first up, I finished my peas in the pod. They are so cute. You had to have glue to glue them together, so just something to be aware of. But yeah, they're so cute, and I'm going to stick a little gold string in it and put them on the tree. I really, really like them. It's good that we had 2 days to do them as well, so it wasn't too stressful. Felt Matters magazine has arrived, so I'm going to read that at some point. The International Felt Makers Association, that's the name of the people that do this every month. And then obviously you get your insurance for your stools as well. They don't have too many 3D felters in the magazine. Sometimes they do. They're getting sort of more and more. But they do have some lovely stories. Oh yeah, look, they're lovely. You know, the lampshades that you can sort of wet felt. Really nice. And they've got a tutorial on that in this one, so that's interesting to look at. So first up, I was going to say, we'll start with the felt box, but the felt box, this was the aubergine wool that you got sort of as an extra in the advent kit. So it's a huge, I'm going to go 100 grams, maybe 50, or see, even I don't know, a huge bit of wool. So that's really good. So that was just a general, that's not for any things that you're going to be making. So felt box, let's open up day 4. And we've got some white wool and some beige wool and a bit more white tops. Okay, so that's interesting. And I don't open the envelope until the 5th of December, so that's tomorrow. So I can't start on the next one till then. So I think they're just gifting you the wool, because this was the wool for the day before, getting ready to start that. So that'll be good. Now, let's go. I think we're getting an order. Let's go Crafty Kit Company. I kind of have seen, because of the magazine, you can kind of see ahead what's coming. So today is some really colourful wools, and I know that we're going to be making presents out of these. I'm really enjoying the instructions and the magazine with the Crafty Kit Company. I think it's really well done. So I'll put those aside. That's good. Now, World of Wool. day 4, Cinnamon Bear, and it is, oh, I can never say this, Manx Logton, Merino, Alpaca and Mulberry Silk. So let's see what colour. I mean, look at the design of the packages. They're so nice. Right, let's open this one up. Oh, that's like the Christmas blend. That's a real Christmassy colour. Let me just pop it open. Oh, this light's not on. Let me pop this light on. Hopefully you can see a little bit more. So that is really reds, greens, whites. I don't think there's any yellows in it. That is definitely sort of Christmassy colours. Really nice. Cinnamon Bear. And obviously if you watch Lara's video, they'll explain a lot more about what it's about. It's all to do with films. Now we'll go Barn to Yarn. And this says, Under the Christmas Tree, Blue-Faced Leicester. I love Blue-Faced Leicester blocks. Let's open up. They're a nice size. The parcels are a good size. Oh, oh my God, I've never seen so many colours. Oh, I hope you can see them all. Look at them. That is a whole load of colours. Bit of straw, but that's to be expected. Let's get rid of that. Wow. I'll see if I have to do a little close-up if you haven't seen it that clearly. I'm surely you can. That is so many colours. Reds, greens, yellows, blues. Oh, that's really lovely. So, yep, I don't know what I would do with it, but that's really lovely. Nice curls. Let's put that one aside. Right. I'll open this and do a little close-up and show you maybe tomorrow or the next day, because I have to sort of zoom in on that, so they're so tiny. Now I'm going to go Toft, day 4. Now, yeah, so I did say I have realised, and that subscriber kindly mentioned it as well, just as I was realising when I saw the door that I've got to keep these boxes. And I realised it's a lot easier after watching Kerry. She says keep the boxes because you put the right bits in the right boxes, and then when it comes to construction she'll help you. So this is camel, so that's more wool, and I've read the instructions already, so I'm going to make those up today. I'm enjoying Toft. It's got slightly harder. It was like so easy day 1 and 2. It was like lulling you into a full sense of security. And now it's a little bit harder. I guess because I'm doing lots of other things, that's why. Right, Creative Anarchy. So this is, let me get the book. This is The Day in the Forest, and this colour is Warm Moss. So I can imagine it's got to be, come on, it's got to be green. Oh yeah, so, oh, so lovely. Oh, they're so lovely. Oh God. See, I'm glad I didn't get any other wool ones, because I'm really appreciating just this one, and I can focus on it probably in January and make something. So really, oh, that's lovely. Where are the others? Oh, they're going to look so good together, hopefully. And then this was the candle that you get, and this is from, so the candle is from the Apothecandlery, and it's a lady called Sarah Twyford that makes them, and it doesn't say what smell the candle is. So that is a distinct smell. I'm not sure what smell it is, but that is the candle that you got as well in the set. So that was really nice, but that's beautiful. Oh, and the other little candle advents that I've got is hot apple pie. And it's definitely hot apple pie. It's really, really nice. So that's fantastic. Oh, I'm very, very lucky. And I just have to show you these because there's no other way of me showing them because I'm not doing a monthly vlog. So these have come from Eleanor, and she's done me an owl as well. Look at the tops on that, absolutely beautiful. But these have come, she's done me a really nice card from Adelaide, South Australia. So this mushroom has travelled 10,129 miles. So that's so good. And she used a bit of tencel on this as well, which is her first time felting with it. So thank you so much, Eleanor. They've all arrived safely. And my mushroom bunting, or my PO box is going to finish on the 9th of January. So Seth is coming along. So this was a project I started before Vlogmas, by the way. It's not an advent or anything like that. And I'm doing his curls. Now, I did say I haven't found a tutorial, and someone did say there is one, but the one that Kerry's done is to do with loops. It's not to do with these sort of curly straight locks. So I hashtagged this on Instagram and looked it up to see what other people's look like. And I do love the look of them, but theirs look a bit thicker. But anyway, I'm going to go with it. It's going to take me forever. And one lady on there, she'd been 5 years in the making of this sheep, so I'm kind of worried it's going to take a long time. But that has taken me about 3 evenings of just sitting there for about an hour, hour and a half. So he'll look great when he's done, but I am working on him. Maybe he'll be done by the time we get to Christmas. That's it for today. I am going to put in the footage of when we went to Chatsworth. So we went on Friday, just gone, and it was just before Vlogmas, so I'm going to add it in here. It was a lovely day. I couldn't book up during the time of December. I booked this about 6 weeks ago, and literally there was one space open for 2 tickets on a Friday at lunchtime, and so I just booked it. But I'm going to show you the footage now because it's so Christmassy and it's lovely. So I hope you enjoy that, and thanks for watching and being here, and get ready for the next couple of days, and I'll see you on Friday. Happy Vlogmas, everybody.